ari kugambaho n'abanyamakuru muri Kisoro Shafik Sekande nagira ngo okurwana mu DRC no kugenda misho kandi iki neteganisa abantu abari kugezaho kwetunguro muri Uganda ubwo nagira ngo okweyongera kwempunje muri Uganda nako nicumwe okuteganisa entunguko mu byaro ebiheriri hanga lya Congo
because the Congo side is under war. We have challenges also on our side. For example, in February, some thieves from Congo came to Uganda in Nyawishenya sub-county. They stole cows and goats and chicken in the night and took them to Congo. But because Congo now has no police, our local people collaborated with the Congo citizens. The Congo citizens intercepted the stolen animals, but one cow had already been slaughtered, but the rest of the cows were intercepted and handed over to the Ugandan citizens at the border in Nyawishenya.
RDC Haji Shafik Sekande nagira ngo abantu tabakine cyo barukwekora kandi abamwe binobwoba oko baraye bisehembere giagumeryeti.
The youth are being lured, are being forced to enter into rebel groups to fight, which they are running away from. Two, there are also tribal clashes in that North Kivu area. And of course, there are also religious clashes, differences between various religious sects. But the major cause for the refugees now running away is the fight between M23 and the FARDC, which is the army of Congo.
Sekandi nagira ngo amasiko bagino mahego mukagugwa East Africa okumara hwendwanezi
occupy the areas, and the rebels were directed to cease fire and hand over these areas peacefully to the standby forces of Uganda, Kenya, Southern Sudan and Burundi. That's what we are now looking forward to seeing being implemented.
Abantu abakurengo mitwaro 35 nubo bahunjiro mu Uganda okwihortaro rwimakavusia omwaka gw'2021 mu Congo. Amakuru agagasha kwa keta tuzarirwe.